I slept I slept that day. That day, this old man posted that truth in his page.
Mofa, the billionaire where they live for inside Dubai, don't file ₦1 billion lawsuit against Bobrisky for defamation. Where he say it does say if they are two, they get some kind man-to-man level. Hello, my country people. Welcome to Tafia Express, the platform where they carry Tori around and they come on a doorstep. If now first time when we say you they come across Tafia Express, make not forget to follow me for the Facebook page where we name Tafia Express. And make not forget to subscribe to my YouTube where you name Tafia Express TV for inside YouTube. Hello, my country people. Matter don't boss so matter don't pass Gary. Mofa wey be billionaire after the enough talk where Bobrisky talk say now there are two, now they la each other, now they knack am. Mofa don file lawsuit against Bobo, ₦1 billion lawsuit against Bobrisky. This one not be small matter o. For inside the picture the way you dey see when you dey flip, now for the lawsuit paper the way say serve Bobrisky, and for there I go just read am. I no go read am because it too long. Make a narrator just for na lis ten ing, make una for lis ten. For inside that place, the guy demand say he need apology from Bobrisky and make he go apologize openly, make he go disregard, make he go debunk the rumor say both of them dey yansh each other. Make he come publicly call debunker say because he first employee wey him name na Oye talk say na Bobo na talk say him dey yansh am. Na for there he come talk with lawyer come talk right put say make Bobo come outside to come apologize. Make it go publish am for inside 2 newspapers for under 7 days. Now they give Bobrisky, and for there he say make Bobrisky pay ₦1 billion for inside, and also for defamation say Bobrisky dey lie say he borrow a car when people cause bring screenshot for wetin he take borrow the car. He cause say na lie Bobrisky dey lie yo how na see am. He cause say the car wey be say he dey talk about Bobrisky for there, he say he just say that at that time Bobrisky only Vela. Say na that Vela wey Bobrisky get na be the only better car wey Bobrisky even get. He say and he get enough cars where be say he full everywhere. How na see the matter where be say e dey happen. E no end there o. He cause talk about how he and Bobrisky dey talk about blessing whatsoever Nkechi blessing. He say for inside the Nkechi blessing matter, he say na matter wey be say he and Nkechi dey fight. Say so the thing come dey involve in na come make him talk say make Bobo leave Nkechi alone, make no dey follow Nkechi dey mean say Nkechi na bad person. He say no be say he dey follow and dey gist anything. He say he no dey gist with Bobrisky. He say no get to do. The matter no come see end there. After the lawsuit, Bobo come see release video. He come release chat wey be say he and Mofa chat for inside Instagram. For there, both of them write on how Bobrisky dey console Mofa about that EFCC matter wey be say e happen time past. Now for them Bobo come dey cry for inside video. Mofa come dey tell her say it's okay, say everything go dey fine. Now for them Mofa come dey tell Bobrisky say he say he love her so much too. Bobo come tell her say he love her, all those kind of things. For inside the chat wey be say both of them wey Bobrisky release today. How una see my country this matter e don pass Gary o. Bobrisky need to apologize for under 7 days and make e publish am for inside 2 newspapers. And secondly, he go see pay ₦1 billion for defamation when he take lie against the billionaire. Make una not forget to drop una opinion how you see the matter where we say they happen. Matter yanga dey sleep, trouble dey go wake am. But this matter e don pass, be careful. The matter e don tie Bobrisky for neck. Make e no be like say I dey delay na time. We go watch the video where Bobrisky dey talk say he sleep, say he come dey demand say for God say he no wan wake up because the pain too much. He say this man he don fight for the man for so long. He say the man come outside call dey tell her say he no get anything to do with her. He say the thing pain him well come be say he sleep. He say as he wake up in the morning dey tell God say make God take his life, say he no wan wake up again. How una see am? Make una leave una comment in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube wey name na Tafia Express TV for inside YouTube. Leave your comment for the comment section. Make you talk how you see the matter. This ₦1 billion case, we don see many cases for inside the social media where we say that they find person for 1 billion. Then they pay the money, no dey go anywhere. Jemena case that time I see 1 billion. What about Kpokpo gree? He still fight for 1 billion. That 1 billion lawsuit, they work. How una see am? Bobo no get that kind of money where we say go take pay billionaire. How una see am? Leave your comment for the comment section. Don't forget to click follow. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube where the name na Tafia Express TV for inside YouTube. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for coming by to watch my video. Make we dive go watch the video where Bobrisky dey express herself for wetin happen and how he pass through the suffer wey be say he pass through before inside Mofa matter. Make we dive go watch the video. Until next time wey be say I carry another ogbonge tori come una way. Make una stay blessed o. Una bye bye.
I slept in the morning. I slept that day. That day, this old man posted that trash on his page. I slept that night, and in the morning, when I woke up in the morning, I was asking God, why did you wake me up? I swear to God. To tell you how painful I was asking God, like, why do you have to wake me up this morning? Because I don't want to feel that pain anymore. Ha! Somebody you stood for, somebody you fought for, somebody you trust so much, somebody you believe in, came out. It weak me. It just shocked me. When this old, I can't forget that statement. I don't associate myself with someone like you. When nobody was there for you, when even all your co-business partners ran away, when they arrested your ass. Now this somebody you claim you don't associate with, that was there for you. Life is deep. I think the only reason why people don't like me, or I'll say the reason why people envy me, is because God has gifted me a special grace. Yes, God has gifted me a special